Hi again, everybody. It is the morning of 5/26/2022. Let's do some pH projections off the overnight highs and lows. We've got a little double bottom here. These four vertical lines that I have marked on the left side of the chart in this ellipse are the pivots I'm going to use to project forward. So on the left here, we've got this little double bottom at around 2 o'clock and 2:10 in the yellow P2 segment that projects forward to 8:30 this morning and 8:40. So turn time in there. This high right here at just after 4 a.m. in the blue segment projects forward to 11:44, and then the low from 4:49 4:50 projects forward to about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Then for the standard times, we've got right there at 5:37, we were in that flat sideways market, made a little low and triggered off this upward move. End of segment 6:42. End of the P3 segment at 10:24. Always a time to watch. Then in the afternoon, we've got in the first block about 2:13, and then the end of that segment, end of the P2 afternoon segment at 3:19. So that's what we've got going on the pH today. Some good projections there. I'm going to drop back and review the timing windows that we had this week because they were worked really well again. Here's the Vedic timing window chart. Let's roll it back to Friday. We had this low come in on the 24th, actually the Tuesday low. Tuesday's low came in this window. We had the white B2, we had the white B1, and then we had the white A1, brought in that exact low a day that triggered that big up move. We had the next window, we had the B1 bright green window with the white A2 window, and we got a high in that window. And then we got a decent reaction off of that. And then in the next green window, as we got into midnight there on the 25th, we had this high in the ruling period of the green window. Then yesterday and into the evening, let me roll that back. We actually got a low and a high in this window. We had another white debilitation window on the A2, still inside the B2 window, so we've made that higher high. So we've got that low came in during the right after the FOMC, and then we made this high in dead smack in the center of that window, and now we've challenged that. We had the green window in the evening hours, and we did not make a new high or low there, so that window is a failed window. But in the context of the time of day, we don't look for those to be important time periods from like 1800 to usually about 2 in the morning. It's kind of a flat, choppy area. And we are choppy on the Astro Excel, and the market is held in this tight range for the last 3 days. If you look at the daily chart, you can see the lack of volatility this week. But anyhow, we had the turn time, I think, on the 24th. We did have that low on the 24th, and we're trading up since then. And this could project and push up to the 29th, which was our last turn date for the month. So right now it's primarily a market for longs. So there you have it, timing windows, again, setting up great opportunities, used in tandem with the Astro Excel for the timing, and then triggering off the rainbow or the pH. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again in another day or two.